What's up? Magandang umaga. Gusto mo bang mag-withdraw taon-taon sa MP2? If oo ang sagot, manatili hanggang dulo dahil may pa-bonus tip din akong ibabahagi para lang sa inyo. Let's go! Alright, hello mga ka-practical. So just a little background. Naalala ko pa nung pandemic, nasa bahay ako at nag-inquire ako para mag-open ng MP2. And that was 2021. So by next year, magmamature na yung MP2 po natin. So, sa mga di nakakaalam anong MP2, ito ay tunim lang ng Modified Pag-ibig 2 Savings Program. Ito ay isang voluntary type of investment na ino-offer ni Pag-ibig sa mga active members niya. So with a minimum of 500 pesos, pwede ka mag-open at pwede ka mag-invest anytime sa Pag-ibig MP2. So unlike sa regular Pag-ibig na dapat monthly may nilalagay ka sa MP2, pwedeng anytime ka mag-invest. Okay? So I'm sure alam niyo na po 'yan. As of recently, nag-release si Pag-ibig ng interest na nakuha for 2024 ay 7.10%, which is a little bit bigger nung last year, which is I believe 7.05. So mas mataas na siya ng konti, no? So ngayon, ito na yung pinakaabangan nyo. So paano ba mag-withdraw taon-taon? So as you know, may dalawang paraan para makuha ang iyong savings, no? Yung unang option, which is yun yung pinili ko, is makukuha mo lahat ng inipon mo tsaka yung interest paglipas ng 5 taon. Now, the other option is yun yung yearly withdrawal, pero yung nawi-withdraw mo lang is yung interest na nakuha mo. Okay, so yung dineposit mo, hindi mo mapakukuha. 5 years pa po yun. Pero etong strategy na to is, ipapakita natin paano nga ba mawi-withdraw lahat ng nasa loob. So ito yung tinatawag na ladder strategy, no, in MP2, which is essentially is magbubukas ka ng MP2 account bawat isang taon. So every year. So for example, no, March 2025. So magbubukas ka ngayon, and then the next year, 2026, magbubukas ka naman ng isang account, and so on and so forth. So every year ulitin mo yung cycle, kaya bawat taon is meron kang magmamature. So doon napapasok yung strategy na yearly withdrawal. So obviously, malalaro mo yan, no? Like if you have money to invest, if needed mo siya in the immediate future, then pwede mo siyang ilagay doon sa mas malapit na mag-mature. So eto matindi guys, ito yung bonus na pinakaiintay nyo. So instead of 1 year, every year mo i-withdraw, pwede pala na 6 months, no? If you have a partner in life, a wife, etc., or husband, then you can space out the opening of your accounts. So instead na magsabay kayo mag-open, then maybe your partner will be after 6 months. So that way, every 6 months, nag-open kayo, alternate, and then starting the 5th year, then mag-alternate din kayo. Every 6 months, merong nag-mature, and then you can also, of course, open para continual yung process. Alright, so yan na po guys. So for more practical tips, make sure to follow and subscribe. And if you have any comments or feedback, feel free to drop it down below. See you.